So I figured I'd make a quick video on how to tell if the eggs that have been in your refrigerator are good or bad. So you take an egg, take it out of the carton, and you take it and you fill up a glass of water, and then you take the egg and gently set it in, and if the egg sinks, it's still good. If the egg is bad, you put it in. If it floats, it's bad. That's because as it decomposes, the gases build up and the egg floats. See, it's got a little crack there. It's been in there for a while. So that's how you tell if the eggs that have been sitting in your fridge for a while are good or bad. Well, close enough where you won't get sick.